friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Flash the Sloth from Zootopia, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the middle with the nose. Starting in the center, we're going to curve this down, around, tucking that back up and in on the right. On the bottom, let's curve this across. Let's come down for the mouth. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line. Let's add in a corner bracket on each side now. Coming through, we're going to add in a small detailed line directly underneath. Let's come across for the eye. On the left hand side, drawing in a circle. We'll line that up at the same height on the right hand side, replicating that. Let's close off the eyelid on the top, so we're going to curve that out. Let's come underneath, drawing in a arch line, curving this around and through. Let's add in the highlights on the inside edge, drawing in a circle. Coming over towards the side, drawing in our second circle, making this one smaller. And then now let's just color in our eye black. Now let's come up. We're going to frame in the face. So we'll actually come down. We'll come down on the bottom and we'll frame in the chin. We're going to curve this over and out on the right. Now from here, we're going to tuck this fur down, curving that back up. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left, curving that around and back in. Now from here, we're going to frame this up on the sides. We're going to curve this around and in on the left and right hand side, leaving a gap in the middle. Now from here, we're going to tuck this back in, pulling that down. As we come up, we're going to curve this through and down to the center. Let's frame around the eye here. So we're going to come up on the left and we're going to curve this around, down and out. Replicating that on the right. So we're going to curve this up, down, back out. Now from this point, we're going to curve this down and in. Again, moving through, curving this down, around, and through to the bottom. Let's come up for the eyebrows. We're going to draw in a straight line on both sides. Curve this line across on the left and right hand side. And then from that point, we're just going to join this to that line on the top, closing that off. Let's continue to frame in the hair around. So on both sides, curving that out. From that point, we're going to draw this coming back up to the top. Again, let's extend this out, curving that over. And now from here, let's just round that out, pulling that in, up, and over to the top. Let's curve this line out. And then we'll tuck that back into the middle. Again, let's curve this out, tucking that back in. And then as we come up, again, replicating that, curving that in and down. And now with our gap in the center, we're going to curve this out, tucking that in on the left. Let's draw on the body now, coming over on the left-hand side, rounding this out, curving that through to the bottom, replicating that on the opposite side, ending that at the same height. We'll move in towards the middle on the top, curving that through. Closing off the legs, leaving a gap, drawing a diagonal line coming out on both sides, ending that at the same height. Let's close that off with a slight curved line underneath. Let's draw on the feet. So we're going to curve this line down to the bottom, ending that at the same height. And then we'll bring this foot out, and we're going to tuck that back in. We'll do the same on the right. Now for the claws on the feet, we're going to curve this around and in. in the center, stepping up, replicating that, curving that around and down. And then one last time, just curving that around and back up. Let's close off the pants here. So we're going to come down, curving that in towards the middle. For the pocket, we'll arch that out on either side. Let's close off the ankle. Curve this in, lining that up at the same height on the right. Let's come up for the tie. We're going to draw a diagonal line joining in towards the middle, and then we'll flatten that out right in the center. Let's draw 2 more diagonal lines coming out, ending those at the same height, and then we'll pull those in towards the middle. Let's come down our tie now, just drawing in some diagonal lines, leaving an even amount of space as we move all the way through our tie. Let's come up. We're going to draw another diagonal line coming out on either side, and then we'll pull that through towards the edge. Let's close off the belt. So we're going to curve this in towards the tie, extending that through behind. Let's draw on the belt buckle. We're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on either side. And then right in the middle here, we're just going to draw in a rectangle. Let's draw in the belt loops here. So we're going to draw in 2 curved lines on the left. And then we'll come across and draw in 2 more on the right. Let's draw on the left arm here. So we're going to round this out, curving this in. And then we're going to pull this down on a diagonal. We'll step up, replicating that, arching that through to the side. Let's bend the elbow out here. So we're going to curve this out and back in. We're going to curve this down, out, and up. And then we're going to extend this line further up, curving this around and in. We'll draw on the claw now, tucking that down, and then stepping behind, curving that out and back in. Let's draw on that right arm. So we're going to round this out for the shoulder, curving that down. We'll come down underneath, extending this all the way over and through towards the right. Let's close off the shirt, tucking that in with 2 curved lines. Let's come up now for the first finger, curving this in. Now coming down, let's extend this through to the top. Let's draw on the thumb. We're going to come underneath, curving this in. And then we're going to join 2 curved diagonal lines, joining at a point in the middle. Now from that edge, we're going to curve this around and through. And then from that point, we're just going to tuck this back around and in. We'll come underneath again, curving this out, tucking this around and up. Let's come down now for the arms. We're going to curve this in, down, out, tucking that back in. We're going to curve this further across again, tucking that through. And then one last time, we're just going to arch this into the body. And that is it. That's how you draw Flash the Sloth from Zootopia. You can pause the video and color it the way that I've done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.